Good morning, students. Today we are going to play a game. You will have to come one by one and pick any one number from the tray and sit on the same chair number. Okay? Take any one number from the tray. Take any one number. Good. Which number is this? Sit on the 3 number chair. Show me the number. Very good. Clap everyone. Good. Have you come? Pick any one number. Which number is this? 4. Very good. Sit on the 4 number chair. Where is the number 4? Very good. Clap everyone for every. Yes. Inaya. Pick any one number. Which number is this? Sit on the 2 number chair. Clap everyone. Soumya, come. Take any one number. Take any number. Pick number 5. Sit on the chair number 5. Very good. Clap everyone. Ivyanshi, it's your turn. Go. Pick any one number. White class. Yes. Which number is this? Ivyanshi, show me the number. Very good. 7. Very good. Yuvan, come. Pick any one number. Which number is this? Very good. 10. Very good, class. Diksha, come. Pick any one number. Very good. Sit on the chair number 8. Clap everyone. Abira, come. Which number is this? 9. Number 9. Very good. Clap everyone. Vyom, come. Yes. Which number is this? Very good. Sit on the 6 number chair. Very good. Clap everyone. Ruvansh, come. Yes, sit on the chair number 1. Very good. Clap